Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to introduce the painting and measuring process of a 132 scale A-10 Thunderbolt. One of the A-10's defining feature is its 30mm cannon, which is almost as big as a small car. The entire fuselage of the A-10 is designed around the gun. Even the nose wheel is offset to one side. To create the weathering effect, we need to refer to many historic photos of A-10s. In these pictures, you can see the traces of weather conditions, which are mainly concentrated on the side of the fuselage and the vertical tail. I started by trying different painting media, but I found that color pencil were the best way to approximate the texture of weathered paint. I carefully paint each panel in detail to make the model look like as realistic as possible. I prefer to take pictures for the scale model in the sunlight. The sunlight helps to make the model's color texture more vibrant, and it also illustrates the panel line and the color pencil stroke in detail. When I put the model in the AI background, it looked like a real plane. Even though it's a 132 scale model, you can still feel it's massive. The model is very large and heavy, which reflects the power of the real A-10 Warthog. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, please let me know. Thank you and bye.